Hey there, I'm Bill Shirk, the man about the woods. You have some incredible technology in your new boat. Your job is to now enjoy your electronics and use them all the time. But kind of like a home computer or a work computer, there are certain things you're going to have to do to keep these things running smoothly over time. The first thing Rapid Marine suggests you do is get your electronics registered with either Lowrance or Humminbird just as soon as you take delivery of your boat. That will keep you up to date on all the product news and periodic updates. Yes, every once in a while you are going to have to update the software in your units, and by being registered with the companies, it makes that process so much easier. A second piece of advice, always power off your electronics using the manufacturer's suggested process. So many of the problems and glitches are caused by boat users who simply flip a master switch in the boat and shut everything down. Power down the right way and your electronics will keep on running. Now, maintenance is really pretty simple. Whenever you're going to trailer, always take the electronics off of the portable brackets. The other thing I like to do is keep a cover on them. That prevents things like dust and pollen from screwing up the screens, and it also keeps them free of scratches. Finally, cleaning up your screen. Try to stay away from commercial cleaners that have a bunch of harsh chemicals. Instead, let me suggest a homemade mix. I use 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water. Just spray it on and use a soft cloth. It'll keep your electronics looking brand new and it won't scratch them. Hey, enjoy your electronics. Trust me, they're going to help you catch more fish.